everyone, welcome to the Captain Drone YouTube channel. Today is a beautiful sunny morning. I'm out here with a brand new EDF jet, well at least new to me. I haven't seen too many videos on this jet. This baby is called the J10 and it has a 30mm EDF in the back. I don't know if you could see it, maybe there's not enough light going in there, but either case it's pretty darn tiny. There's a little fan in the back, 30mm. Now this jet runs on a 2S LiPo battery and it is a plug and play model, so you have to put your own receiver in it, hook it up to your own radio and go fly it. It only has 2 servos and those servos are made for belly landing, so they're on top of the wings, which is a nice touch. We do have some wind gusting right now. It's not super gusting, but it's probably going to affect this because it's very tiny. It's very light, even with the battery in it. Oh, it's under 250 grams. So I guess enough talking. I'm just going to hand launch it, fling, and hopefully it flies. If it flies well, I'll take it around. We'll see how fast it goes. I don't expect it to go too fast, not with that small motor, but we'll fly it around once, and if it does well, I'll land it, and then I'll see if I can put a camera on it. That might be too heavy for this little thing, but we'll give it a shot. Okay, so I have tossed this into the wind, and the wind seems to be coming from this direction, which is not good because I have trees, poles, wires that way, so this is not good. It seems to have ample power to fly. Let's see, as long as I got the CG correct, we should be good. All right, here we go. Let's see if I thunder this in or get it up in the air. Whoa. Did you see that? It's so light, I shot it straight up and then I did a loop. That was the weirdest thing ever, but it's flying. Look at this. Whoa! It's very controllable. Here, coming out my head. You know, straight up. For a 30mm EDF, this has a ton of power. Holy crap. As long as you get the CG good, then life is good. Oh, it really corners sharp too. We got to be careful there. Okay, go this way, get out of the sun. Bring it around slow. Doesn't stall, nice. This is pretty decent. I was expecting total disaster with this thing. Just looking at the size of it and everything, but no, she flies well. All right, so let's land this baby. Okay, we'll land it into the wind, kill the throttle a little bit, and I'll just get it to flop over here, over the tree. There we go. I've killed the throttle. Bring it down. I lawn darted it, but it seems to be okay. Oh, I see what the problem is. Well, check this out. The problem is on the bottom. Look at. You've got this little thing to suck in the air, and of course when that hits, boink, it's like a brake system. All right, so as promised, I'll see if I can put a camera on it. Let's give this a shot. I think I only have a couple of minutes of flight left. So the only place that would allow me to put a camera on this plane is on the bottom, which means when I land, it's gonna get torn right off. So yeah, hopefully I don't lose the camera. Oh, there's Canada geese coming right at my head. Look at them all, and they're noisy. Hey guys, hey guys. Don't drop any packages on me. Here we go, camera's on the bottom. You should get some good footage if it flies. Lots of power. I did it again. Oh, I wasn't so lucky that time. Oh my God, thundered into the ground. Okay, try number 2. Nothing broke that time. It just wants to go straight up when I release it, so I've got to get it to go more that way. Let me hold it in the back and see if I can do it better. There we go. Beautiful. Insta360 Go camera on top. Or on the bottom, sorry. There we go. I'm going to go full blast coming at me. I'm going to take a corner here. Coming down at me, full blast. There we go. Try that again. Whip around. Sharper turn. And here we come, right up my head. Right over here.
Time remaining 3 minutes.
Nice. Nice. She goes. And that's with the weight of the camera on the bottom. It just flies so nice. Here we go. Full blast now. There we go. And that's with the camera on it. She goes. This thing is a blast. All right. Let's see what the power is for going straight up. Going straight up. And over and over. There she goes. Well, has the power, and that's with the camera on it. All right, let's bring it down for landing and toast that camera into a million pieces as we land. All right, we're gonna come this way this time. Come this way.
Time remaining 2 minutes.
A little slower, come right at me. Slower. I'll get all the way. There we go. All right, well, the camera's right here, so I don't have far to go to get it. So I would say I'm pretty impressed with this plane. You know, I thundered it into the ground from a bad hand launch, straight into the ground at full speed. no damage whatsoever. Also, every time it lands, it just thunders in. But no damage on the bottom. I put some fiberglass tape along the bottom to protect it, and it seems to work well. So the next thing I want to show you with this plane is when I received it, I actually did an unboxing and an assembly. This plane is fully assembled by glue. You just glue it together, and glue came with mine, but I used my own glue gun. Anyways, check this out. Now, I was surprised to see that this small plane ships in a very nice box that is extremely well packaged. Inside the box you'll find the vertical stabilizer along with the main wings. Please note that servos and linkages have all been attached. There's also a bag containing the canards, the rubber nose, and a tube of glue. The brushless motor has already been assembled in the fuselage. Also, you can order this plane with the proper battery, which is shown here. The last item is a sheet of paper showing where the CG is on this plane. And now I'll quickly show you how I assembled the plane. I simply glued the vertical stabilizer into position. To install the main wings, I passed the servo cable through the fuselage, then glued the main wings into position. This was done for the right and left wing. I then glued the forward canards into position, and finally I glued the rubber nose onto the main fuselage. The rubber nose is probably what saves this plane when it crashes on its nose because it's very flexible and collapsible. The assembly is very quick. The last thing you have to do is just install your receiver. All right, so you're back to me. This plane came from RC Castle, and RC Castle is one of the many stores I go to get my RC planes that you see on this channel. So if you'd like to get this for yourself or check it out, I will put the links below. Go check it out. It's under $100 US, obviously, because there's not much to it. Go check it out, see if it's something for you. All right, guys, thanks for watching this video. If you have questions on this product, post them below. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and I'll catch you in a future video with many more reviews. Until then, I say bye.
Time remaining 3 minutes.
And that's with the camera on it.